Apple has launched the Apple Watch Series 6, an update version of Series 5. Apple Watch Series 6 design might look like Series 4 and Series 5, but with inbuilt advanced feature pops out the Series 6 ahead of it. Apple 6 watch comes up with measuring our blood oxygen level with a revolutionary new sensor and applications. Yes, Apple Watch 6 can measure your blood oxygen level in just 15 seconds. The green-red infrared LED shine light onto the blood vessels in your wrist, and photodiode measures the amount of light reflected back. Advanced algorithm then calculate the color of your blood, which indicates the amount of oxygen present in it. With Series 6 and with ECG app, it's capable of generating an ECG. We always have a lack of sleep, but with Apple 6 series, it pops up with sleep data. The sleep app helps you to establish a regular routine bedtime and keeps track of your sleep. Apple Watches always have a keen eye on our fitness and thus improved a lot in our features. So thus there are a lot of options from choosing on it, such as running, swimming, yoga, cycling or anything else. Apple Watch Series 6 comes on with always-on Retina display and it's 2.5 times brighter outdoor. And with additional features, 6 has a precise metrics on altimeter that continuously tracks your elevation changes in real time. For music and podcast, listen to whatever motivates you to move. That includes 70 million songs on Apple Music. With design and color, this Apple Watch 6 comes with a solo loop which is easy slip off and slip off with 7 variant colors. And it comes with a braided solo loop which is of 16,000 recycled polyester yarn filaments, and it comes up with 5 variant colors. And there are also 9 customer sizes as per your wrist. As to match your mood, you could choose from most new faces. Then you could customize as per your mood, style and favorite activity. Even face emojis can be set up. Apple Watch Series 6 has additional features which is listed down. For water lovers, get surfing forecast. For sun star moments, get your solar watch, get stargazing conditions. For weather nuts, get your detailed forecast. For planners, get planned your day and keep organized. For photographers, get your lightning weather conditions to have perfect photos. Apple Watch Series 6 keeps people things you care about right there with you, no matters where life takes you. And with available cellular, you could stay connected even when you don't have your phone. You could just call and text right from your wrist. Apple Watch Series 6 has Siri, which you could ask anything simply as you want. For map, just get a tab, which 6 is serious about it. And with other lot of features, at last, Apple Watch Series 6 comes with Es6 Chip, which is an advanced feature from Series 4, Series 5. And it comes up with 50-meter water resistance. And this Apple Watch Series 6 has been quoted with $399 for pricing. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't miss to like and share, and don't miss to subscribe this channel for recent updates.